No, SVR. Yeah, SVR.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harnett County in central North Carolina, north central Cumberland County in central North Carolina, northeastern Lee County in central North Carolina, southwestern Wake County in central North Carolina, southwestern Johnston County in central North Carolina, eastern Chatham County.
I forgot. I need to get the other 120.
Until 8:15 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles northwest of Millington to 7 miles north of Fayetteville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cary, Sanford, Pittsboro, Lillington, Fuquay, Varina, Dunn, Angier, Godwin, Apex, and Holly Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now taking